Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for Nintendo Switch error code 2814-9999. The error reads, unable to connect to the server, check your settings. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when players try to connect their Nintendo Switch to the server but fail to do so. According to our research, the error is likely caused by issues with the console's connection, an outdated system, or problems related to a specific game or Nintendo's own services. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to restart your console. Once restarted, check if your console needs a system update. If there is an update available, install it and then try again. If the error still comes, try playing other games. If the error only appears in a specific game, then the issue is likely with the game itself and not your Nintendo console. In that case, we suggest you reach out to the game's support team and report the issue. At last, if the error continues with all games, then the issue may be with Nintendo services. In this situation, we suggest you reach out to Nintendo support for further help. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.